So, hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of August 2025. It's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Aquarius, the overall energy for Aquarius people for the month of August 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the Page of Pentacles. It's like just the start of something stable, just the initiation of going in a particular direction in order to make something stable, to create stable base for a situation that's going to give you something really meaningful, stable, safe, and secure in the coming future. For most of you, it's related to your finances, career, money, job area, or maybe a business area that you are starting or planning to start. For others of you, it could be related to your kid, like kids future, or kids secure future of a kid or something. And for others of you, it could be just a start or restart of some kind of situation from your side, but in a very gentle and loving way, stable way, and it's just a start. So your focus is going to be of starting something brand new in a particular direction with the stability, safety, security in your mind. But for most of you, it's related to your job or career or finances or saving more for the future, or creating a stable base for your future. Okay, let's see what was happening in the recent past. We had the Nine of Swords, so something was keeping you up at night and you were having sleepless nights and lots of thoughts and anxious kind of energies. Currently we have the Seven of Wands. You're like a little bit defensive, and you're going to be like, you're in this energy of protecting yourself from everything or everyone that's not matching with your energies, or that's trying to hurt you or harm you in any way. But at the same time, it's a little defensive energy, the way you are doing it, not what you are doing. By the end of this month, we have the Eight of Wands, a lot of progress, a lot of fast and forward moving energy. Like things are going to change very fastly. Things will start moving in a very fast pace in a situation, in a particular direction. Okay, let's clarify the Nine of Swords in the recent past for you guys. Fine. We had the Justice, the Six of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. You know, you were waiting for some kind of karmic justice in a past situation, in a soulmate kind of a dynamic. Oh my god, shit, I felt like a strong urge to sneeze, but it, anyways, it was a strange wave of pain in the head. So anyways, you were like waiting for some kind of justice, balancing out some kind of karmic cycle related to a past person, past situation, past thing to end, because it was very burdensome and heavy for you to wait for the justice. You were waiting and waiting and waiting, and nothing was happening. Eventually you gave up. Eventually you gave up on waiting for this particular person or situation or thing to balance, or you getting justice in a particular situation, because you were like, okay, I can't. It's so stressful, it's so difficult for me to wait for this. I am just going to drop it. So either you drop the situation altogether, and or you drop the desire to get the justice from that situation. You're like, okay, I'm done, bye, I can't be there for the rest of my life. Okay, currently we have the Seven of Wands. You are kind of trying to protect yourself from multiple people, situations, and things, and definitely from at least one energy, one situation. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Chariot. Yeah, even if you're moving forward in your life, there are on and off, in and out kind of energies. You're not able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you. There is a crossroad kind of energy. Physically, you are moving ahead. you know, you are moving ahead with full speed, with full determination, in a particular direction, but you're feeling blocked, like if you're doing the right thing or not, if you should wait a little longer, or you should just you know move ahead and never look back. You are not able to decide properly, you are not able to see the clear cut picture of the situation right now. Even if you're feeling blocked, even if your energies are on and off, in and out, physically you are moving ahead and not even planning to look back, but energetically you are feeling blocked and even trying to protect yourself, trying to fight for yourself, you know, trying to make peace with whatever is happening or whatever happened, and trying to figure out the best way to energetically get out of this situation. Okay, let me clarify the 8 of wands by the end of this month. Let's see. We have the strength card, the knight of pentacles, the death. Hmm. You know, this pause, this delay, this postponement that you're feeling in your energies right now, the stress, this not being able to understand what you should do and what you should not do, is going to end. Everything that you are stuck on, everything or everyone that you are stuck on, and whatever is taking a lot of strength and courage from your side in order to, you know, let it go completely or make it work out completely, you will no longer have to struggle like that, and the wait is going to be over, and things are going to start moving in your life in a very very fast pace, in a very very positive way. So whatever postponement, delays, blockages, stuck energies, and this energy of you not being able to do and go ahead and do something in a particular direction and go ahead and make it happen, eventually the universe is going to, you know, open your path. Everything will start making sense to you, everything will start eventually working out in your favor. Even if it is not going to feel like it's working in your favor, it will eventually. So the delay is over, the wait is over, and your path is going to be crystal clear, and things will start moving in a very very fast pace, in a very very positive way, in a particular direction of your life. Actually everything will start making sense to you. You are going to be like, okay, that's why it was happening, that kind of relief. Okay, that's why universe was kind of testing me, that's why these kind of blockages were thrown at my face. Okay, that's why. Okay, yeah, you will understand why. Because this postponement, this delay, this blockages, whatever you're feeling right now, is actually trying to protect you from something that you are not meant to, you know, suffer from, that you are not meant to get in this lifetime. So this postponement is actually protection and blessing for you, even if you are going to take it as the worst thing of your life. But the wait is going to be over, the blockage is going to be clear, the path is going to be crystal clear in front of you, and boom, everything will start moving very very fast, in a very very positive way. Let's see the guidance for you, the Knight of Pentacles. Yes, the same thing. This slowness, this postponement is actually teaching you a lot of patience. And this is actually a blessing in disguise for you guys. Even if you are going to take it as a very negative thing in your life right now, this whole situation, this whole thing is happening to teach you a very, very important lesson of patience, of trusting the process and the divine and the universe. Because a lot of time we do a lot of things, a lot of, you know, healings and this and that and whatnot. Let's say for example you want a job and you prepared for that job for, let's say, 10 years, and you gave the interview. Now you're waiting very impatiently for the results. Why they are not coming, why they are not coming, why they are not coming, right? Let's say the result didn't came for the 10 days, for the next 10 days, and you're getting anxious, you're getting stressed out. But on 11th day a better opportunity showed up at your door, better opportunity with better package, with better money, with better finances. This is the exact same thing. Might be you're trying to go somewhere, achieve something that's not good for you, because universe is going to bless you with something much better than what you are stuck on. That's what's happening here. Okay, So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.